Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogtober. I am in my office right now. It is a very bright morning. And it's about, I don't know, what time is it? It's about, 11. This morning started off pretty busy. I had a subscriber come all the way down from Chicago to pick up one of our little pups, and we were so excited about that. I got to meet her in person. They got to hang out with us for a little while, and they took our little brown puppy. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I know it's going to a really good home, and they're excited about it. Now they're on their way back home, and it's just so nice sometimes, where my channel takes me and the people I meet, and just kind of the experience that I get to have from being here and talking to you all. So I am super stoked that that puppy is going to a great home. And let's see. So we got that taken care of first thing in the morning. Um, and then right now, I've had a couple of deliveries, and one of them is actually for like a little sponsored content that I have, something that they're sending me just to try out and have something to decorate my house with, which is fun. We still have to unpack the big box that Nelson brought in the other day. We just haven't had a chance to actually sit down and open it and film it and all that kind of stuff. And then I got a couple of the hangers that I got for the kids. Two of the sets came in today. So that was good. And I can start changing out some of their hangers so that they have, more hangers in their closet and they can organize things a little bit better. So that was nice. I just finished taking out some meat from the freezer. We're going to do, I think, nachos tonight. I think Nelson really wants to sit down with the kids and watch some, Halloween inspired or some spooky inspired kind of movie or something on the A wall and the big screen upstairs in their lounge. We've been trying to just, make a effort to have like a weekly movie night. And it's one, we've been so busy and have had so many issues to deal with that we just haven't had the time. And the last time we tried doing it, it's taken us like 3 different nights to watch one movie, and we're still not done because either the kids fall asleep or we fall asleep or we're just too tired and we just like, you know what, let's do this another day. So we're going to attempt it tonight. It would be really nice to, sit down with the kids and enjoy a movie. Also tonight, I want to get the kids started getting their overnight bags out because this is the last day before their fall break. They have fall break next week, and I am taking the kids down to my parents. I'm going to be traveling with them over the weekend to drop them off, and then I'll come back over here. I'll stay over there one night with them and just kind of hang out, see my parents, and relax a little bit. And then I'll come back to get some stuff done and then prepare, hopefully, for something that we've got planned over here. So hopefully we can get some of their stuff done. I was able to fold all of the laundry last night that we had in the living room. I have more laundry that I've got to fold. So I'm trying to get all of their clothes like cleaned and ready to go so that whenever they go to pack their things, they have absolutely everything clean that they could possibly need, and then they could just pull from it. That way they aren't like, Mom, what about that one shirt? Did you wash it? So I think I got most of their stuff. I think I probably have one more load of their stuff to do. So that would be nice to go ahead and get that checked off. So that's basically how our morning has started. I would like to do a couple of other things today. I'm not sure if I'll get to them. So we'll see how the day progresses. But at least there's no contractors. There's no work being done right now. It's just us. And I'm just trying to, get ready for the weekend. I'm excited though, because tomorrow is going to be our town's fall festival. And it's actually a really good one. We really enjoyed it last year. There's going to be like over 100 vendors. They have music. They have activities for the kids. They have tons of food trucks, all the shops downtown, they all get opened up and stuff for the weekend. And it should be really beautiful weather. So I am looking forward to that fall festival because it's right here in our small town, and I absolutely love going down there whenever there's activities because they really do go all out when it comes to that. And hopefully I'll be able to bring you guys along and share, lots of fun stuff from the events tomorrow. So yeah, it's a good Friday. I'm feeling a little bit better. I wish I was a little bit more rested though. Last night our baby girl just could not just go to sleep. She ended up waking up several times throughout the night, just screaming. I don't know if she had like a nightmare or what, but yeah, she didn't let us sleep very good last night. I'm hoping that she does better this evening. And she does sleep in our room. We have a little playpen there that she can sleep in. But, when she wakes up in the middle of the night, we ended up just putting her in, bed with us so that she can calm down. But even then, last night was just one of those rough nights, right? It happens. Babies sometimes don't have good nights, but then that affects us, throughout the day. So yeah, follow along and we'll see how this day ends. So these are pretty much all the hangers that my son has in his closet. And as you can see, it's just a whole bunch of mix match plastic hangers and a couple of wood ones that you get from the store. So I'm just going to take these out and I'm going to replace what he has with the new ones. And I just got these really nice black velvet ones. They're thin, so he'll be able to fit quite a few. And I got him 50, so they'll be nice and black and all nice throughout, and they won't be this cheap plastic. And because of the velvet, they shouldn't slip off or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just change out what he's got in here and add a couple more shirts that I just got from the laundry. And then I'll go to my daughter's closet and do hers. Also, I got all of these 50 hangers for only about 21 bucks. So if you guys are looking for some hangers and stuff, I'll go ahead and link these below as well. All right, after I got done with the closets for the kids, me and the baby had some lunch. Then she went off and took a nap. So I decided to go ahead and edit tomorrow's vlog so I can be done with that early, which I did. And then I noticed that I didn't sign off on it. I totally forgot about it. I was so tired yesterday that I totally forgot to sign off at the end of the day. So it will end suddenly. So I did that, and then afterwards I cleaned our bathroom because it just needed a little once over. I like to do all the bathrooms at once on the same day, but some of y'all know that I've been under a lot of pressure and stress because of, just everything that's going on. So I just can't do them all at the same time anymore. And so I'm just kind of taking it easy. I did the bottom two on the first floor today. And then I'll do maybe the top two tomorrow or Sunday or something. I'm not sure. But doing all four bathrooms, especially while being pregnant and having to go up and down stairs and just carry cleaning solutions back and forth, it's just a little bit too much for me. So I got 2 out of 4 bathrooms done, which is great. And I did wash all of the bath rugs. So I did get to do that for all the bathrooms. And I put them down and they're ready to go. So Nelson's picking up the kids now, and I am about to do dinner. I got some ground beef out, and we're going to be eating nachos. I'm not sure if I actually mentioned that earlier today in the vlog, but we're going to do nachos so that we can sit down, watch a movie, enjoy each other's company, and just relax this evening. So that is the goal. I'm going to go ahead and start on the meat, and then I have to start cutting down the tortillas that I have. I don't want them to go bad, so I'm going to make homemade chips. And then, yeah, that's what we're going to do now. All right, so dinner's good. Everybody enjoyed it. We had a good time. I sent all the kids to take a shower. Nelson also took a shower. I finished up cleaning the kitchen, and the older kids are helping me draw a bath for the baby right now. So I'm going to go give her a bath, and then I'm going to take a bath, and then hopefully we can all just sit down and enjoy something together as a family in the lounge. It's still before 8 o'clock, which is a huge deal in our house. Everybody's bathed before 8 pretty much, except for me and the baby, but it's okay because we're going to go do it right now. It's a huge thing. So yeah, that's kind of what is our Friday night's going to look like. We're going to try to enjoy ourselves. I am exhausted. This week has been so long and just so many things happening, right? And so I think my body's just telling me I need to rest. I need to enjoy some time with my kids. So that is what I am going to do. So I am going to sign off here, and I'm going to give you guys a good night, and I will see you back here tomorrow morning. Okay, until then, adios.